In the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful and most compassionate. Today I want to talk about VPN, Virtual Private Network. As you know better that Virtual Private Network or VPN is used for network protection, or VPN is used for more security, that if you want to enable or strong our security, we use VPN. Or this one, VPN, Virtual Private Network, is also used that unknown or unauthorized people don't work in our network. Let's start from this router. Yeah, first I want to write admin at the right, I think 6 en admin at the right 6 admin at the right 6 connect interface channel 100. I want to give a IP address is 192.168.0.1 255.255.255.0. yeah. Internal source address is serial 0/0/0. Internal destination, I want to give the IP 3.1.1.2 3.1.1.2. and after that I want to exit from it, and now I want to enter this router. I add admin at the right 3 en admin at the right 3 connecting interface channel 100. yeah. IP address 192.168.0.2 255.255.255.0. channel source serial 0/0/0. Internal destination address is 5.1.1.2 5.1.1.2. now I want to exit from it, and now I want to check it. Like I'm in this router, I want to ping this one, ping do ping 192. do ping 192.168.0.1. you can see that I can ping it without any problem. And now I want to check it, this one, and now I want to write do ping 192.168.0.2. I can ping it. Now I want to check the differentiation of, or the difference between VPN or also the OSPF protocol. Like I want to check, I want to write exit from it, and I want to write trace route what trace route 3.1.1.2. yeah, 3.1.1.2 3.1.1.2. you can see it that this one is the path that I trace route from this router to this router. Like this route understand or know about the traffic, that for what or which traffic is going to this router. But now if I ping the VPN IP address without any problem, directly my traffic will send to this router without this router. Like you can, like we want to check it, trace route 192.168.0.2. you can see without any problem I can enter. I trace out this router directly. Yeah, this one is also the useful tips that we have in the VPN. Now it's enough. In the next video inshallah I will show you, or if you want you can also work in this PC, in this router also. Like first you must enter and give a password admin at the right 5 en admin at the right 5. VPN is so very easy. First you must mention you must write interface tunnel 200, and after you must give IP address. Like this is depend on you. Like I want to give 72.16.0.1 255.255.0.0, and after I want to write tunnel source serial 000, and tunnel destination address is what? Destination 4.1.1.2 4.1.1.2. now I want to exit from it, but first I want to mention the network 172.16.0.1 or VPN, and after I want to write here 172.16.0.2 VPN. now I want to enter to this PC, this router, to run the VPN. I want to write admin at the right, I think 2 en admin at the right 2 connectivity interface tunnel 200 IP address 172.16.0.2 255.255.0.0, and tunnel source serial 000, tunnel destination address is I think 6.1.1.2 6.1.1.2. now I want to exit from it, and now I want to check it, that is it pinged by my PC or not. Do ping the ping I want to write what I want to ping this VPN IP address, like 172.16.0.1. now we want to check it. Why? Interface tunnel serial 000, tunnel destination 6.1.1.2. yeah, now I want to check it, this one. interface tunnel 200.172.16. Oh, I forget. I I could made a mistake. I could make a mistake. I could made a mistake. I created a mistake. I want to clear in here again. Now I want to ping it. You can see it. The date. Ping it. It's also the part of it. But if I trace it out, when I hit and I want to trace out 172.16.0.1, directly I can trace it out. But if I come here and I want to ping what this IP address, public IP address, maybe I will, yeah, and if I ping, if I trace it out, trace out 6.1.1.2, you can see that I can trace it out from some path. But if I trace it out or trace out 172.16.0.1, directly I can trace it out. You can see it that without any problem. You can see it. This one is also the differentiation. Like if I trace it out from this PC, this router, maybe I will face with some different different networks. But if I ping from this PC, this VPN without any problem, I can ping it directly and I can trace it out directly. This one is also the useful tips of VPN. Yeah, thank you so much for me watching. Please share, subscribe, and follow my channel. In the next video, inshallah, I will tell about more something else. Thank you so much.